So this might be for you if you really like having your own space. You'd still have full access to all of the social areas, but just if you like to have your own kitchen, that kind of thing, this must be the room for you. So we have a fob system here, and on the left we have coat rails when we're coming in. And then we have a full-length mirror right next to the door. And then on the right of the room, we have our ensuite bathroom. Moving to the left, we've got a large wardrobe here. And then walking down to the bedroom area, we've got a lovely roomy desk area here. So we've got a big shelf up here, and then a pin board, and then a desk area where you can work, and plenty of plug sockets. And then we've got some drawers here as well, along with a really nice desk chair. And then moving on to the bed, we've got a small double bed, and it has underbed storage as well. Got some more plug sockets in the headboard. And then we can move along to our kitchen area. So we've got a lovely bright kitchen area here, just to the left of the studio flat. So starting over here, there is room for 2 people to sit. So whether you're dual occupancy or if you just want to have a friend over, it's pretty nice. And then just a shelf up here and some storage. And then we move along to the cooking area. So you've got a lovely mini induction hob. So there's 2 hobs for you to use there. And then we have a microwave oven combi. And we also have a retractable oven hood. Okay, and then to the left of this we have the sink area. Below this we have our compact bin system. So really useful because you can separate everything in here and then put it away and you don't have to see it. It's all hidden out of sight. And then to the right of that we just have our fridge freezer area. So really roomy. And then to the left of that we have a very long cupboard where you can store all your utensils. And that's kind of an overview of the kitchen area. So now I'll just give you another little walkthrough so you can kind of piece it all together and see what it looks like. Okay, so that's our studio walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gives you an idea of what it would be like living in one of our studio rooms.